Hello everybody, I am here at 4101 Brook Avenue having an open house. This home is 3 bedrooms, 1.5 bath, so much natural light. Look at that. Big window in the front living room, ceiling fans, recessed lining, new flooring, new windows. The bedrooms are super spacious. Look at this. Super spacious, super lots of natural light in every room. Recessed lining in every room, fans in every room. 1.5 bath. The kitchen is brand new as well. Look at this open space. Amazing. Beautiful. This is the kitchen. Completely remodeled. Can't see it.